Meaning of factitive.
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 Factitive. Factitive is a linguistic term that describes a type of verb that indicates an action that causes a change of state in the object of the sentence. In other words, it is a verb that expresses the idea of making or causing something to happen. Factitive verbs are often transitive, meaning they take a direct object and indicate a change of state in that object. For example, bake is a factitive verb because it changes the state of the object, dough, into something new, bread. Overall, factitive verbs describe actions that bring about a specific result or outcome.